Hello everyone, welcomes back to my channel Ajay Digital World. Happy New Year to all of you. May this year fulfill your all dreams. Stay with me for more interesting videos of online earning tools and earning methods where I can suggest affiliate marketing, digital marketing tools, and also suggest the world's best websites to earn money online and the money making app also. I can share the world's best affiliate program that you can earn money online. To join, link in description box. If you're interested, so please subscribe to my channel and stay with me. I hope you are enjoying the video and also implement this knowledge into your online journey. Today I suggest the best website app of social media management. With the help of this app you can manage all social media in one place. For more information, watch all the video till the end. We're very grateful you. Grab the opportunity, subscribe to the channel, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, link in the description box. Please subscribe to my channel so I make more videos for you, and don't forget to ring the bell icon. I also create a playlist of 10 earning sites and an online money making serving site for you to check out the I button. Thanks. Let's start the video.
What is Crowdfire app? Crowdfire is an amazing social media management device for brands, organizations, offices, and people all around the globe. If you want to visit the site's link in the description box. What is Crowdfire utilized for? Crowdfire causes you to find and timetable content, and deal with all your social records from one spot. The super savvy showcasing companion that will assist you with developing on the web each day. Is Crowdfire safe? It's always best to agree with the client rules gave by the online media stages themselves. It's likewise worth repeating, as things remain, since the mass follows and unfollow highlights were taken out right off the bat in 2019. Crowdfire is currently a protected administration instrument to utilize. Does Crowdfire post for you? Timetable for the week and sit back. Each post will consequently be customized for every informal community. What's more, you can see the posts prior to distributing. Modify the best occasions to post each day or utilize our program's best and ideal opportunity to post a proposal for every one of your records. What amount does Crowdfire cost? Crowdfire pricing. Name price. Free $0 month. Plus $9.99 per month. Premium $49.99 per month. VIP $99 per month. Does Crowdfire work for Instagram? Crowdfire works with Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, Pinterest, LinkedIn, and a lot more stages. How would I erase my Crowdfire account? You made your buy on the Crowdfire site. 2. Go to Settings by tapping on the stuff symbol at the upper right of your screen. 3. Under Billing, you'll see a choice to alter your arrangement. 4. Click on the Unsubscribe, Cancel button under your arrangement. 5. How do you see who unfollowed you on Crowdfire? 6. The benefits of Crowdfire. Toward the back of seeing who your fans are, you can likewise see who your fans aren't. The Recent Unfollowers tab plainly records individuals who have unfollowed you. It at that point shows you whether you actually follow them, and offers you a major red button that you can use to unfollow. Here are the means by which it works. 1. Discover significant content dependent on your subjects of interest. Consequently, find articles and pictures your crowd will cherish, so you can share them to all your social profiles and keep your courses of events humming. 2. Publish content from your own sites a lot. Look out for refreshes from your site, blog, or online shops, and make snappy, delightful presents for each report effectively share on the entirety of your social profiles. 3. Pre-plan the entirety of your content. Timetable every one of your posts ahead of time and distribute them naturally at the best occasions or now and again picked by you, saving you huge loads of time and exertion. 4. Get custom-fitted posts for each interpersonal organization. Amazingly alter your posts for all your social profiles, removing the cerebral pain of creating separate posts for every individual informal organization. I hope you all are enjoying the video and implement this knowledge for your online journey. Subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos. Do not forget to share the video and leave a comment. Good luck.